Most people spend their entire adult lives stuck in a cycle of working just to pay the bills, never getting ahead. The ultimate goal is to escape that loop and reclaim your personal time. Getting off that wheel doesn't require immense luck or a massive salary. It takes a specific, replicable plan. Today, we are going to build your personalized 5-step master plan so you can calculate exactly when and how you can retire. So grab a pen, some paper, and a calculator. Financial freedom is a concrete destination, and we can map it out right now. Step 1 is to find your freedom figure. This is the exact baseline annual cost required to live a comfortable life without active work. Tally up your ideal yearly expenses. Calculate the costs for housing, a car, vacations, your boring bills, food, insurance, and leisure. Based on average aspirations, a comfortable lifestyle in a city runs about $75,200 a year. This equation shows the rule of 25, the mathematical formula used to calculate the total investment needed to sustain those expenses forever. You take your annual cost and multiply it by 25. For our example, that equals a portfolio of $1,880,000. Think of that principal investment as a golden goose. By drawing down a safe 4% yield, the eggs, you can live indefinitely without depleting the main stash. While that total figure looks massive, you don't save millions from a standard salary. You reach it through a system of compounding optimizations. Step 2 shifts the focus from earning more to keeping the cash you already have. We do this through life hacking. First is car hacking. Instead of bleeding hundreds of dollars a month on loans, buy a quality used vehicle at the bottom of its depreciation curve. This split-screen comparison shows the math behind brand hacking. Opting for generic store brands over name brands frees up daily capital. Skipping the brand name cereal saves about $2.56 a day. Invest that difference, and over 5 years, it compounds to over $4,600. Next is house hacking. In expensive areas where rent eats your paycheck, you buy a duplex or rent out a room. Your tenants pay down your mortgage while you build equity. Finally, deal and tax hacking. Use online market values to negotiate car prices and leverage legal business deductions if you have a side hustle. These hacks are not about living in poverty. You are simply stripping away vanity expenses to fund your eventual freedom. Step 3 is building your financial reputation, and the best tool for that is a credit card. This is a wealth-building tool, not free money. Keep your balance low and pay it off in full every single month. The payoff for a high credit score is securing a lower interest rate on a future mortgage, keeping tens of thousands of dollars in your pocket instead of the bank's. Step 4 is creating a second income stream, so you are not wholly dependent on a single employer. This pie chart breaks down the myth of the 168-hour week. Subtract 56 hours for sleep, 40 for work, and 20.5 for meals and commuting. That leaves you with over 50 hours of free time every single week. Pick a side hustle that uses skills you already possess to fill that void, whether that is freelancing, affiliate marketing, or consulting. True financial stability is like a multi-legged stool. If one income stream breaks, the others keep your foundation solid. Wealthy people understand that the true function of money is expansion. It is a tool used to make more money. Step 5 is putting your money to work via automated stock market investments. You can use a mobile broker to buy an S&P 500 ETF, which instantly lets you own a fraction of the top U.S. companies. Switch on the automated investing feature so your money is put to work consistently. This sets up dollar cost averaging. You invest the exact same amount regularly, balancing out your costs whether the market is up or down. Manage your risk by keeping 95% of your wealth in safe index funds or real estate, limiting volatile assets like crypto to a maximum of 5%. Pushing extra income through this automated investment engine is the only reliable way to replace active labor with passive income. Look down at your paper and review the master plan you just built. You now have an exact target number, strategies to slash expenses, a credit building rule, dedicated time for a side hustle, and an automated investment engine. Achieving wealth is a scheduled destination. To see a step-by-step setup of your investment account, click the next video right here.